Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to read the webtoon, how to become a mind reaver. Now let us begin. Note that in order to do so, you guys do not even need to be logged into your account. Now let's simply look at how to read the webtoon. On the navbar, at the rightmost section, you can see a search button right here. Click on it. Now all you guys need to do is simply enter the name of the webtoon that you wish to read. I'm gonna do it right now. Once you guys have entered the name of the webtoon, you guys simply need to hit unsearch or enter. And guys, this is it. From here, you can view the originals or canvases. Now all you guys need to do is search for the webtoon. Well, this is it. This is the webtoon that I wish to read. Do you note that currently it is under the canvas section? So I'm simply gonna click on it. And guys, this is it. This is how you read how to become a mind reaver on Webtoon. As you guys can see, the process is quite easy. All you have to do is search for it and read it. Well guys, that's it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.